Hello guys, this is my current problem when I open up a Repetier Host for 3D printing and load new 3D models. It will get stuck at some point. As you can see here, I'm loading a cup model here, and now it's become stuck because if I change to 3D view, it doesn't show me anything. If I minimize, it doesn't show me anything. So for the solution, what I have done here is I have changed from graphic properties that display setting. Now color quality I have changed is 32-bit to 16-bit. As you can see here, I'm changed from 32-bit to 16-bit. Okay, press OK here, and now my color quality is 16-bit, but I'm okay with it because after that I'm able to see my 3D models in Repetier Host. As you can see here, now I'm able to see that 3D view, and now I'm going to load a new models. Okay, file, load. I'm here loading cup model. Open up. Okay, so you can see here, now I can see the cup model here. Hope you guys like it. It will be helpful to someone who is pissed off with it. So thanks for watching videos. Thank you.